Alright, so I'm getting my new snow machine ready. Heated grips, high windshield, and now I'm going to put some cold cutters in the tires. So I figured out that there's 20 or 22 lugs in the center of each of these tires. At least the back ones I figured out so far. So I got these 5/8 deep cold cutters. And you know, they'll probably all fly out. But Tip Up Town and Houghton Lake is coming up at the end of the month. And I don't necessarily want to drive a snowmobile because, well, most of the trails there are snared or dirt, you know. So I'm going to put these things in. And also I took this thing down my road, which is mostly packed ice with some grippy snow on top. And yeah, you can't really get on it. I mean, you hammer it, and next thing you know, you're going for a ride that you don't want to go for. So let's put the cold cutters in and find out. So this bag contains 250. So that's about 60 per tire. Also, I wonder if anything on Lake St. Clair is going on this year. Went out there with my friend Jimmy P probably 10 years ago. Ice races, and man, that was a blast. That was super cool. Except that it was like super freaking freezing cold. I mean, I dressed warm. Got like 5 layers of stuff on. And we were just spectators at that one. And I totally froze my ass off. I was cold within about 10 minutes. It was bad. Should be going on this year. I think the weather's been compliant. Yeah, I'll be pissed if I come out tomorrow morning and pull the Who knows how the Chinese guys cast these things or mold them. So I got all the cold cutters in the rear tires, all the ones I want to put in. I'm going to let it sit overnight, make sure the tires aren't flat. I mean, I do know how tires are built. You start with an inner carcass, couple layers, and then you put the outer carcass on, but you know, who knows what these guys do. So worst case, if those don't work, if they go flat, which I don't think they will, I have this set of tires off my Defender which have real lugs on them. I can throw those on there. That's it. That's going to be my 2021 tip-up town machine. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, leave a comment and tell me why.